Hey guys, welcome back. So it is day 2 of Vlogmas and we are heading out to grab some stuff. We're going to grab a few decorations and a tree. Yes, so we're on this Vlogmas journey and we're going to do some shopping and we're taking you guys along with us because you know what's Vlogmas without some vlogs, right? So if you're new here, I'm Mara Ophelia and this is my mother Bobsy. I'll put the link below to her channel so you can go over and subscribe. You know you have to subscribe, right? Support one, support all. So if you want to see what kind of tree we'll be grabbing on this Vlogmas journey, stick around. Yes, we're going to get a tree. So let's go shopping, guys.
Hello, how long it be? 110 rolls. You know, till now. So now trying to get some decoration. I'm going to show you what the decorations were in Ashanti in Crossroads. So I'm going to show you what the decorations look like and also the other two things that are in here. I guess this goes on the door. And then I have the different color balls. Oh, it's so nice to get on there. I want to be blue. I have blue. Seems to be too nice for all of them. I think I might take a blue one. I have the mix in the red, purple, Christmas colors, and then there's the blue. Yeah, so could I do this and this? No. I look like change. So since I do blue like down the blue for the decor. Oh yeah, some Russian just go out the tree. Alright. Alright, I can see if we find anywhere mix like blue and silver or something. These are absolutely beautiful, guys. Look at them. Only want me to mix it. Oh, what me say that down there, so. Alright, look at this one then. When you add it to something, it's a Christmas color. So mix it instead then. There's no reason to not bake. Like they have baking things in all different sizes and designs. Like these are looking lovely. You want a baking thing? I won't tell you what you're baking as yet. You want an oblong baking thing? Cover. With cover? I'm gonna say any with cover. You want a baking tin with cover, with a cover. All of those? Thanks. Oh, perfect. Okay, so these are the baking things I have with covers. And that's the after, so I want one of this. All of this them have as baking tin with cover. That can work. That price or this look, I'm gonna say price. This is price? Oh, so I guess the old fashioned baking things price and you have the modern ones for your muffins and them something there. So we're going to check. Okay, we'll tell you to take a phone trolley and let's push it on down. The cupcakes as well, different colors. Yeah, decorate and stuff. Cut out your heart. This is cute. This is mad cute. The jar for the glass jar. I'm gonna pick it up here, so want a glass jar, so I see. This is some here. These are small. Oh, some bigger ones down there, so we want a glass jar.
Oh, that's through this.
So I'm going to take one of these. I'm not just save me. This is nice, and guys, it's only $200. They have smaller jar sizes at the top. I'm going to take this one, but I'm still going to look if I see any more. And that bigger to what I pretend. This bigger than that. I'm gonna need it so big. Put that in. This fancy. It's nice. It's it bigger? Bigger and it's cheaper. So you want to add that instead of this? Guys, it's on your prefer. It's bigger. It looks bigger. This just has a nice color cover. Put this back. Bags and stuff, bags and stuff. Not necessarily what we want for Christmas. I love guns. Let's try this. What do you want? So I want some clear tape for a project. So just going to look for that now. Yeah. Sheets and curtain and stuff right here, so. But yesterday I was telling you that mommy wants a toaster oven, so we're now in the toaster oven section. I'm going to show you what she's looking at. Just looking regular toasters in here though. Let's see any toaster oven. Regular. They don't have any. Not seeing any. Okay. Oh. And the grill. Them that's my toaster oven. Panini maker, guys. Not seen a toaster over in here. Yeah, but let's go look at the trees. Oh, the tree? Yeah. Very nice. 180 is not bad the price. Yeah, wine rack. I got a wine rack one, you know? Oh, them around here, so. Oh, so them here. Quite a few there. And a pass. Oh, so one here, someone and this can't hold. And this size chicken. Alpha. Yeah, that's nice. This is the same size though. Good space.
Can hold a whole chicken now?
This can hold a whole of chicken and yeah, a nice big chicken. This alright for our size. 577. No wonder. Oh, the size of the one now.
Big too.
And this one, good price too.
Oh, so please, sorry. I thought I wasn't going to touch you, yeah? Sorry.
Okay, no problem.
You want this?
For even this.
No. No, this would have to definitely be like 2 chicken eggs and 2 thighs. 2 chicken eggs and 2 thighs. Like, but this one is very small. 3 times more. But then the bottom round is so much not high and it's bigger than the 77 one. Oat brand. Oat butter. That's all. Alright. More on the other side. Much smaller though. So my mother over here, so apparently she was looking at this for my not even 6 months old niece. I don't know who else she could possibly. Who are you looking gifts for, mommy? Who are you looking a gift for?
No, myself.
A dolly?
Drone.
Drone? One drone there? Nothing a drone. It's a container for Christmas. $100 pickles at the top of the tree, but we're not going to need it for my tree. I realize as I'm just having sale on all the Christmas decorations. These are nice. We won't be needing these. Yeah, and reindeer hat, headband, and Santa hat. We're going to look around these sections. How much are the Christmas up here? $480. Into the cashier now. We're going to get the tea. Oh, what is mask? Are the same Shiloh guy down? Are the M95 master?
So guys, I am back home. We are back home, and I can just hear somebody asking, so where the tree was Shamara by? Well, if you want to see where the tree is that was bought, then you have to come back tomorrow. That's a vlogmas work. So yes guys, if you want to see the tree, the Christmas tree on a budget, then you have to come back tomorrow to see what that tree looks like, right? So guys, don't forget to like, leave me a comment down below. I'm gonna take my trickle, but leave a comment down below. And if you're here and you have not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button and come back tomorrow to see what the tree looks like, right? So until tomorrow guys, continue to be your most authentic self, and of course guys, stay naturally. Bye.